guys. I'm coming at you in the Indian showroom, Spirit Motorcycles. You know where we're at. I don't know why I keep telling you that. I got some crazy deals for the month of April, specifically on most of my 22-year models. Stupid deals, huge discounts, manufacturer, and we are matching most of those. So let me go over a couple of those with you. I got quite a few. It's hard to fit between all these bikes because of how many Scouts I have. My Scout Classics, they have $500 from the manufacturer. I'm gonna double that. I'm gonna give you guys $1,000 off of these Scout Classics. That's $1,500. You know, I never got the chance to be a passenger princess on one of these, but maybe you can change that. $2,000 off of my heavyweights, 22-year models. Come on, I don't even got that much money in the bank. Let's go. You know, I feel like Knight Rider on this bike. Anyways, $2,000. If I tell you I'll give you $2,000, are you gonna come see me? Because I'll give you $2,000 on my Super Chief. $2 grand? Really? Come on, that's a crazy deal. I haven't seen that much money in since I was born. A long time. Anyways, now you know what I got going on for deals in April. So you should come see me. My name is Nate. You should know me by now. I got the wacky hair, scar in the face. You should know me. You'll know me. Spirit Motorcycles, 460 Meridian Avenue. Give me a call. My name is Nate. $2,000 on my 22-year model. Come see me. Let's make it happen.